Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to send files as email in Google Sheet on computer. So how to send files as email in Google Sheet on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Sheets application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Sheets workpage. For send files as email, just point the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap the File menu. Now here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Mail menu. And then select the Mail this files menu. Now a menu like this will appear. In this section, enter the email you are going to send. In this section, type the subject of the file you are going to send. You can also add a message, type a message here. In this section you can choose the file format you are going to send. Choose according to your needs. After everything is done, tap Send. Well, here you have finished sending files using mail as the destination. So that's it. Tutorial how to send files as email in Google Sheet on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.